Hello everybody. So late yesterday afternoon this delivery came in, so I'm excited. I love these Tonic Craft kits. So let's start with the goodies bag. Let's see what we got coming in here. Ooh. Color pencils, pastel highlights, looks like regular color pencils. We have a glitter marker. We have the deluxe adhesive glue. And we have the drops. I feel like we're seeing more and more of these kind of things, and less of this kind of stuff. Okay, the crystal drops. Neptune turquoise does not sound familiar. Let me see. Where's my? I don't think I have that color. Shall I get it out and... And it looks really pretty. I mean, that's the perfect name for it, I feel like. There, that one, you should be able to see it really well. This side, it's not that dark. It really is like a turquoise color. I mean, from what I can see in the phone, it makes it look really dark. It is not. It is not dark. It is a turquoise, sort of. And it is turquoise, but I'm trying to get it to where the color shows for you. Maybe there, but that's even really kind of lighter than it looks. There, okay. So let's go ahead and... Well, we get the binder this month, which is nice. And this is what it is. It's a tiny twist box, and you turn it, and the box comes to the opening, and it's so let me here are the instructions, but first let's look. Okay, we got stamps, give it a twist, twist for a treat, and then little bitty stamps to decorate your box. There's the die, so that's the size. That tells you anything, right? There's more pieces. That might be a bigger circle, but it still fits in the palm of my hand. Okay. I think this is going to be a fun one, and we'll do one later. Okay. The papers. Sometimes the papers can be as good as the goodie bag. Okay, so wow, that's pretty, right? Oh, again, it looks really dark for you, and it's not. It is kind of a turquoise color. Let's see. From what I can see on the screen, looking at the phone, it looks like kind of a royally blue, but it's not. It is a turquoise. And then this is like a green, like, this is not turquoise. This is teal. This is turquoise. That's what I would say. So, and then this is more the royal blue. That's kind of weird because this is almost an accurate color on the camera, and these other two are not. They're greener than that. Okay. And we have a shimmer, a silver shimmer paper. Shimmer. We have a white, like, card. So I think this is what you would make your box. The base of your box is going to be made out of that. There is an off-white color here. And this is their textured, their classic textured. This is gold shimmer. Isn't that pretty? That is very, very pretty. Beautiful. And then we have a goldish texture. And it looks more yellow on yours. It's actually more, it is yellow. But add a little bit of an orangey tinge to that yellow to get the accurate color. It really is like a golden rod. All right. That's the papers. Man. I used to love when their kits were in, like, the craft card. And I got some. I can bring them next time and show them to you what they looked like. I loved that. And they've gone to this polished white now. Okay, just on here I'll do the colors, but the colors seem to be off looking at the colors of the paper and the drops. But that doesn't mean it's going to show wrong for you. Sometimes I think everything looks good, and then for you it doesn't. So it's a little hard to say for sure what's going to be. Okay, so this cashmere pink. This is pink flamingo. So where the first one is kind of a corally pink, this one, the flamingo, is a pink. This is Oriental Orchid. So there's like a reddish pink. I would use this more with the red, honestly. Okay, this is Lavender Fields. Well, with this color, I mean, I don't know what else to say. That looks so gray. Summer Sky. It's a light blue. Fresh water. Wow, I thought this would be a lot darker, and it's not. It looks like Lucille green. Can that be right? But it looks like, yeah, it looks more like a light blue to me. I don't know. Super, super light blue. To me, I see nothing green about that. Just looks like very soft, light blue. Okay. This one is Willow Creek. These colors here are so soft. I don't know if you would use them for very much because they're very light. It doesn't look that dark for real. Okay. Evening. I don't know. I don't know. Can't read it. Pretty bright. Okay. Cantaloupe slice. I like that. Okay, this should be peach. Peach. pastel peach. They are all pastels. They're pretty light. There's nothing bright here. Like even the lavender was on a gray tone. And this I would use definitely for a light skin tone. Like mine, too many old age spots on there. It's funny, I used to, when I was young, I couldn't be out in the sun more than 15 minutes. It would start to burn. I would start to get burned. This one is cardinal red. And now I've gotten older. Oh, I can sit out in the sun. And I don't burn. And I got a lot of freckles and stuff now, I guess. I don't know. You would think that our age would be more, I mean, our skin would get more sensitive, but nope. It's that new baby skin. But, oh, I'm not talking about when I was a baby, though. Even as a young adult. 15 minutes, I'm starting to turn red. Not anymore. We go camping, go to the lake, I get on the water. No problems. No sunscreen, just no problems. Okay, so there are the pencil colors. There's the Nuva drops. The only other thing to show is the marker. And you've seen those. So, all right, everybody. If you, and I will be coming back with the video of this. And we got tonic glue. I like their glue. I do like their glue. So, all right. So, if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.